Shadow, a small white kitten, wandered through a storm, cold and alone. She was cursed and only wanted to find shelter from the rain. A kind farmer found her, picked her up, and took her inside. His warmth and kindness felt like something Shadow hadn't felt in a long time. But bad luck seemed to follow her everywhere. Even with the farmer's kindness, her curse kept causing trouble. Feeling grateful for the farmer's care, Shadow decided she would do her best to bring him happiness and good fortune instead of sadness. One day, the witch who cursed Shadow returned to take her back. Her dark magic casting shadows over the farm. But Shadow, with courage and kindness, broke the curse. She sent away the darkness that had trapped her. Freed from her dark past, Shadow filled the farm with light, joy, and love. Finally, the little witch's cat had found her true home.